Petagaye, life. YouTube channel, I don't know the thing, go big up. Dexter up say, better than everything went bad.
Good morning. So right now I'm actually downtown. I'm doing some grocery shopping. I'm going to the Coronation market, so I get some grown provisions like seasonal support. So you guys follow me to the Coronation market. So let's go. So if you guys enjoying, guys, the sun hot. So enough about hot. I'm moving on. So yeah. Just right. It's so man. We're supposed to sweet and where's she like from? Sweet. When you want lady, I make me sweet Petagaye. She want it small. I got 2 bags of one for food prep wise and next one for clothes wise and stuff like that. So we need to go and take off that wig here and wash my ears. So that's what I want to do. With some grocery. Not really grocery, like I went to the market and got some stuff. And these are like some clothes and some stuff in this for me. So I'm working on wholesale. So just started. Hey guys, right now I'm making some chicken foot soup with some chicken neck. So after I clean it, I put it in a pot to boil, and then I have pumpkin here cut up, scallion, fresh scallion what I got downtown the market. It's thyme, of course, for the flavor. The magic cock soup mix, guys. I end up using 2 though. Yum. Guys, if you have corn, you can put corn in there, and some dumpling, aka spinners. So that's just a pot there boiling. You let it stay there for like it depends, like 20 minutes, 50. So as you guys can see, I add my pumpkin to the pot. Pimento, guys. Pimento give it the flavor. Like, guys, you just want to smell this right now. It smells so good, and I just started. So you just make it stay for a bit, and then you add your cock soup. As I mentioned, I end up use 2 because I made a lot, so more flavor in that. And then you just spin it around, guys. Spin it around. Oh my god, that smells so good. Who wants some? Let me know in the comment section. It's a big pot, you can share. So guys, Duke is just getting rich. It just started though, so later on the video you will definitely see how it looks. So I checked back on it. I added my dumpling to the pot, or spinners, what you guys want to call it. So I'm just stirring it around, and then I also had some scotch bonnet pepper, and I put the yam in there also. And as I mentioned, if you have corn, you can definitely add your corn. I know that some people love soup with the corn, like me. I love corn, but at the time I wasn't able to get any. Look on the difference now. Rich. That is real scotch bonnet pepper. So guys, this is actually a finished product. It's so rich, guys, so peppery. Look on the spinners, look on the neck, like, guys, yeah. Guys, I'm currently at Starbucks in Kingston. I'm here with Nick. So what do you recommend?
It's a caramel frap with heavy cream, topping and hazelnut. My secret, so I'm not going to name out everything like that.
Alright, so guys, when you come to Starbucks, let me know what you guys order. This is great. Come to out. feel like a starter. My hair is looking crazy. And I recommend this. So that's why I was get a cookie and cream. You know, laugh of my mistake, right? Cappuccino, I don't know what I mean. But this I recommend some else. I'm gonna try it. So you can give me a, what am I again? Your caramel cappuccino. So guys, let me know what you guys have and you guys can subscribe up to this.
Are you YouTuber?
Yeah.
Okay. Here you go.
It's in the future now, Petagaye lifeline.
What's your name?
Petagaye lifeline.
Life.
Life, yeah.
2 life and life.
Yeah.
Yeah, generally it tastes good. It tastes good. Alright. We could get you whatever you guys want. So it actually tastes very awesome. So hear me.
Back to my channel, can I put in my vlog? I'm going home now. I'm tired. What's somebody say? Or my coworker say, you're extra here, but I'm pretty good. Tastes so good. My hair's all looking so crazy. Who cares? This tastes good. I'm looking crazy. I'm ending the vlog. I'm gonna realize that I did not end the vlog. So basically, you know, I just come in here to end the vlog. So thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Remember to check out my sister have one channel now for everybody are asking me. Yes. So you can go back and go subscribe. Oh guys, find me on Twitter, Snapchat, and Instagram. So and all my social, those are all in the description box. In the box. Those are all in the description box. So yeah. Oh, comment in the video ideas you guys would like for me to do. Cooking, baking, anything, snacks, anything, like I'll do it. I'll try my best to do it. So I'll upload this for you guys now. So yeah, bye.